Hello beautiful, welcome back. I know I look the same as in my previous video, but I just finished filming that video. That's the October box, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the November LookFantastic box. And yeah, if you guys want to see what they sent us this month, then keep on watching. Oh, before we jump into this video, go check out my previous video because I'm doing a giveaway. So you will find all the information in that video. Also read the description bar below, and yeah, go enter my giveaway. Anyway, back to this video. Alright, so this is how the box looks this month. Very pretty, vibrant color. It's more like a burgundy red, right? I am excited. Sorry, Mike. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. That's so nice. Okay, I see you, look fantastic. I see you. So we have the pamphlet, info card, whatever. Wow, in the camera this looks like a bright orange, but it's more like a pumpkin orange. What? Okay, let me read. So this is the Firecracker edition. Okay. Wow. Okay, so as we saw in my previous video, this was the sneak peek for this month, and this is by the brand Naobay, natural and organic. As I said, I'm familiar with this brand. This is the Detox Detox Unpolluted. I cannot say that. Oxygen light cream, aloe vera, green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grape seed. Oh my god, a lot of things in this cream. It looks like so. Alright. This is worth... We don't have the prices anymore. What happened? Look fantastic. What? Let me check. Okay, so this is worth 16 pounds. It says on the info card from the last month. So I don't know why they didn't include the prices this month. Like, did you get lazy or what? Look fantastic. They don't include the prices, as you can see. Anyway, we can do this video without the prices, but it's interesting to know what's the product worth, right? Anywho, let me see what it says. This lightweight face cream provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe vera, and raspberry to regulate your skin moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. Ideal for all skin type. I want to smell it. It's not sealed. I don't like that. So mostly all their products smell the same. This one smells kind of weird. I don't know if I like that. Moving on, I'm going to go with this little thing. This is by the brand Kingsley. So either you got this, which is a Frizz fighting gloss, either you get the shampoo and conditioner. Weightless shampoo and conditioner. So I got this. It says the pure color gloss is conditioning heat protectant that improves color vibrancy, while the bodybuilding duo is infused. So I didn't got this. Anyway, work a small amount through towel, dried hair, focusing on the ends and style as required. I want to smell it, but it's nice. How do they know I want to fight Frizz? Because my keratin treatment is almost finished, and I'm starting to see my crazy frizzy hair back again, and I'm not enjoying that. I know I said I'm going to do the keratin treatment again, but I'm getting lazy, you guys. I'm getting so lazy, and I don't like that. I don't like getting lazy, but I guess I'm in that lazy mood because, you know, it's kind of cold outside. Oh, so I stopped working out, you guys, which makes me so sad because I did lost 2 kilos in the past month, and I want to go downhill or uphill. I want to continue losing weight, but So yeah, I stopped doing my morning workout, which is so sad because it really put me in the mood, I don't know, to be more active, to be more creative, I guess, I don't know, but now I'm like lazy. I don't want to do anything all day, just watch Netflix and spend my money online apparently. Anyway, what this video is about, I don't know. It smells so good. It's like a sweet scent. I like this and I'm curious to see if it works. Okay, interesting products so far. Moving on, we have the Perfect Legs Skin Miracle. A tinted multivitamin vitamin serum to perfect and help cover skin imperfections. So this is like makeup for your legs. Interesting. I do like this brand. I think it works. I got a sleeping mist a few months ago and oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like lavender. I don't know, it's like a infusion of herbs, whatever that is, but that really helped me to fall asleep faster. Like, this brand really works. So again, there's two options. Either you get the Legs Skin Miracle, either you get the In Transit Camera Close-Up. The Perfect Legs Skin Miracle is a lightly tinted serum enriched with vitamin C and E to deliver a sun-kissed glow to the body. Well, now that it's cold outside, I'm covered from head to toe, so I guess I'm not gonna use this until next year, but it's nice. Massage over dry skin, suitable for all over the body. So yeah, I guess I'm not gonna use this for now because it's so cold outside. I'm not about showing my skin now. I'm not about that life, you know. I live in fuzzy clothings. Okay, so this is how it looks and I'm liking that this is sealed. I like that. Looks like chocolate. Oh. So I'm going to apply a little bit on my hand to see how it looks. I don't know how to describe the scent, but it doesn't smell bad. Okay. It doesn't say if it's waterproof, but I'm assuming this will get all over your clothes, and that's not nice. Okay, I think it did something. It looks a little bit more yellow now. It's very moisturizing. I have 3 more products. This is by the brand Polaar, and again, I'm very familiar with this brand. This is the Micellar water, ice pure. Micellar water with Arctic cotton. What is Arctic cotton? What? Wow, fragrance free. What? Harnessing the power of Arctic cotton, this cleanser removes even the most stubborn makeup to bring moisture and hydration to the skin without overdrying or bringing uncomfortable tightness to the skin. I like that, and I really hope it works. I have this Shein mascara that is incredibly hard to take it off. I don't know what it is, but that's like 100% waterproof. Anyway, so this is nice as well. Next I'm going to go with this pencil. And then I have a nail polish. What? This is the Lord & Berry Arctic Bronzer Eye Pencil. So I guess the shade is Antique, I'm sorry. Antique Bronzer. No, the shade is 231. Again, I'm familiar with Lord & Berry. I don't really like their products, but it's okay. So this is the pencil in the shade Bronze Gold. So I guess there's 2 options. Again, I got the darker one. It's comfortable on the eye, intense in pigment, and incredibly long lasting. In a gorgeous gold bronze shade to make your eyes pop. The fine point allows for precise application, whilst its creamy formula can be easily blended. I'm going to swatch it to see. Wow, this actually is a very nice color. It's like a brown with some gold reflex in it. I don't know, please camera focus. Oh yeah, you can see that. Actually, that's pretty. It doesn't feel creamy though. You cannot lie me. like that, okay? Anyway, and the last product we have, there's nothing else, is this nail polish. Okay. This is by the brand Be Your Incredibly Self with Nails Inc. London. What? Be Your Incredibly Self with Nails Inc. London. That's exactly what it says. I know I look stupid, but I know how to read, at least. Fueled by charcoal, this Nails Inc. polish helps promote the health of your nails and protects against environmental I said I know how to read. This gorgeous red shade is perfect ahead of the festive season and brings an inviolable. Oh my god, I just said I know how to read. I'm proving wrong. God damn it.
Enviable.
This gorgeous red shade is perfect ahead of the festive season and brings an enviable shine to the nails. Okay, I'm going to smell it because I love to smell nail polishes. I hope I'm not the only weird in this room. I mean, wow, that's strong. I haven't smelled nail polishes in like 2 years because I'm doing my own nails and I'm using polygel. Wow, that's strong. Anyway guys, so this was the November LookFantastic beauty box. I have to say that I liked the October a little bit more. The sneak peek for the next month, we have another Avent product. This is the Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch and is worth 98 pounds. Are you guys crazy? They did send this facial cream 2 months ago, if I'm not wrong, and this was worth 120 something. I do like it though, but I'm not gonna purchase it because what? I also liked the one that they sent, I don't know what month. This is by the brand Elmis. Again, kinda expensive. This is the anti-aging and I do love this one too. I mostly like all the products they sent. Some of them I don't use, some of them I send to my sister, but overall I'm enjoying this box because I wouldn't be subscribed to it, right? I'm excited to try these 3 products. I'm not as excited to try the other 3 products. So yeah, let me know down below what is your favorite product from this month, and also let me know if you guys are subscribed to LookFantastic and if you got the same products as me. And if you guys want to subscribe to LookFantastic, I do have a code that will save you €5 of your first purchase. Oh my god, I sound so professional, so YouTuber-ish. I sound like I know what I'm doing. I do have a few affiliate links down below. I know nobody will use them, but they are there in the description bar. Please check them out. Okay? Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.